IGCSE Maths. In this video, we are discussing about significant figure. Throughout the video, we are discussing what is the significant figure, how to find the significant figure, what is the rules, that means what is the tricks behind the finding the significant figure, and convert it to the specified number of convert the given number to the specified number of significant figure. So let us start. Before starting, one request is there. If you are like the video, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I expect your cooperation and start the video. Significant figure. Significant figure means the reliable digit plus the first uncertain digits are known as significant figure. The reliable digit plus the first uncertain digits are known as significant figure. So what is reliable digits? In this number, the 6 is the reliable number. No uncertain digit is here. That is why the significant figure is here 1. Here next to a second line, we are showing 6.3, 6.4, 6.2. These 6 are called reliable digits. 3 is there, 4 is there, 2 is there. That is called uncertain digit. So these two add means 1 plus 1, that this is 2. In here, the third row, this is we are going the 6.32, 6.33, 6.34. Here the reliable digit is 6 is common and 3 also common. So 63 is the reliable digit and 2, 3, 4 is the uncertain digit. Here the significant figure is 6, 3, 2. That is here significant figure is 3. This is the way to finding the way. Then what are the tricks, what are the rules behind the significant figure, we can check. Please carefully watch the video up to end. Rules. The reliable digit means we have the 10 digit known as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 10 digits are there. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are significant figure. It is compulsory we can do the significant figure. Rest one number is there, that is 0. 0 is the main role in the finding the significant role. 0 where want to come. 0 is coming, we can write 0.03. Similarly 403. Similarly 400. These positions are zeros are most always coming. First one is 0 here. This is middle 0. This is last 0. This 0 is called leading 0. This is the starting 0, that is called leading zeros. What is here? Here is 0 is trapped between 4 and 3. 4 is a significant figure and 3 is the significant figure. So 0 is trapped between the two significant figure. So this 0 is called trapping 0. Trapped 0. What is here? Here last, after the significant figure, 0 is last, that is called trailing 0. Trailing 0. This is leading 0. Next is trapped 0. Next is trailing 0. The 0 position of the zeros are, the 3 positions are here. The leading 0 is always not significant. Not significant figure. That means leading zero. The zero starting zero means they are not counting significant. They are not significant figure. Trapped zero, always significant figure. Always significant figure. Trailing zero. Trailing zero we can convert into two ways. One is decimal part. One is decimal part and one is non-decimal part. Non-decimal part. The trailing decimal part is, that is significant figure. Decimal part after decimal, trailing zero is coming, that is significant figure. But non-decimal part after trailing zero is non-significant figure. So what is the conditions? Once again I am saying 1 to 9 figure is always significant figure. Then 0 is the case. 0 is 3 cases are there. One is leading 0, one is trapped 0, one is trailing 0. Leading 0 always not significant figure. Trapped 0 is always significant figure. Trailing 0 we are convert into two, that is one is decimal and another one is non-decimal. Decimal number is 0 coming means always significant figure. In non-decimal decimal numbers 0 trailing means it is always non-significant figure. And one more case is there. Number is the number in the form of 10 raised to 23, 10 raised to minus 23, like that. 10 the power of any number coming means we can say these numbers are not significant figure. These are the conditions for the significant figure. So let us check the numbers one by one for each case. Go to the question. Find the significant figure of 356.9. Here what is here? No zeros are here. So all numbers are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4. Again 4506.04. What is here? 0 is trapped. Here 0 is trapped. Here 0 is trapped. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the significant figure 6. Again here 0 is leading. So this is not 11, not 0. This is not. Then 4, 0, 0, 7. That is this. 4 is the significant figure. Then next 0.505700. 0 is the coming as a trailer. Then after decimal number it is a significant figure, though it is 4. Next here what is this? This is the leading zeros. This is the leading zeros. So significant figure became 1. Next 2.00700. Here is 0 is trapped between 2 and 7, and after decimal place the 0 is trailing. So all are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the significant figure. Then 23.023. 0 is the trapped after decimal. Then it is calculated as a significant figure, that is equal to 5 significant figure. Then 501.03. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5. Then what is here? 1000. 1000 means no decimal place. This is the trailing zeros, not counting as a significant figure. Then what is here? Only 1 is the significant figure. Again 1000.0. 1000.0 means after decimal 0 is counting. So what is here coming? 0 is after 0. This is trapped 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the significant figure of 1000.0. Simply 1000 means significant is 1. 1000.0 is the significant figure is 5. Again 3.3000. That is 3 is the trailing zeros after decimal. Then what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 0.3. This is the starting 0, not counting. 3 is the 1. This is the 1 is the significant figure. Next we are discussing about, in IGCS we are converting 1 into the prescribed significant number. We can check the questions. Round the following number to the number of significant figure shown in the brackets. So here what is this? 3.84. Round the number. This, first of all, we have to round the number. In which condition? When we round the 3.84, it became a one significant figure. At present, this has the three significant figure. This has the three significant figure. After rounding, we need only one significant figure. 3.84. After rounding, we can write 4. Only 4. Only 4 means 4. That is the rounding, and this is the significant figure 1. Next, 6.792. 6.792 means this is the significant figure is how much? 3 plus 1, 4. We need two significant figure. So convert it to 6.792. So 7 became 8, 6.8. That is the two significant figure. What is this? 0.776. What is our actual significant figure? This is 4. After rounding, we need only one significant figure. So we can write 0.8. 0.8 is the one significant figure of this number. Next, 9.624. Say 9.624 means actually how many there? 4 significant figure is there. After rounding, one significant figure is equal to, that is equal to 9 became 10. I before told 10, 100, 1000. The significant figure is always 1 only. Next, 834.97. Convert into the two significant figure. This is how many? 3 plus 2, 5 is there. So we need only two significant figure. What is we do? 334.97. 344.97 is equal to rounded by 335. We can write 335.00. But 335 means we can write 350 or 340. Sorry, 40 or 30. 340. 340 or 330. Because 0 is the trailing non-decimal number, it is not calculating. So became 340 or 330. That is the, because 334.97 rounded means 335 coming. 335 we can write in between 30 and 35 means 30 and 30, 40. So we can write 340 or 330. Next, 0.00451. What is the significant figure here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there. Then what is we need? One significant figure. One significant figure. What is this? 0.00. One significant figure. 4 became 5. 4 became 5. This is the, what is this 0? This is the leading zeros, not counting. Only 5 is calculating. This is the answer. This is the way to find a significant figure. This is the important question. If you like means, please subscribe, share and comment my video. Thank you, one and all.